Hello viewers, I am Prabjot Kaur and let's start today's session. Our first topic is what are like fractions. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Okay, the fractions that are having same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 upon 15, 2 upon 15, 3 upon 15, 8 upon 15. All these fractions are having same denominators. All these fractions are having same denominators, so these fractions are like fractions. Next is unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, the fractions that are having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, see this 7 upon 27 and 7 upon 28. Both these fractions have different denominator. Here the denominator is 27 and in this the denominator is 28. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, the fractions with same denominators are called like fractions and the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Our next topic is comparing fractions, means how to compare fractions. Firstly, we'll do comparing like fractions. How to compare like fractions? See, we know that the like fractions are the fractions that are having same denominators. Okay, so suppose I am having two fractions, 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. Both these fractions are like fractions because the denominators are same. Now how we will compare? The fraction with greater numerator is greater and the smaller numerator is smaller. Okay, in case of like fractions, the fraction that is having greater numerator is greater and the smaller numerator is smaller. So see, out of this 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8, which is greater? The fraction, the numerator 5 is greater. So this fraction 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. If I take 7 upon 10 and 8 upon 10, fractions are like fractions. So we will check the numerator. The fraction with greater numerator is greater. So here the fraction 8 upon 10 is greater than 7 upon 10. Next is comparing unlike fractions. How we compare unlike fractions? See, if the unlike fractions are having same numerators, okay? If the unlike fractions have same numerator, let's take these two unlike fractions, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 5, then the fraction with smaller denominator is greater than the fraction with greater denominator. Here see, 3 is smaller than 5. Okay, 3 is smaller than 5. So this 1 upon 3 will be greater than 1 upon 5 if the numerators are same. Okay, in case the unlike fractions have same numerator, then the fraction with smaller denominator is greater than the fraction with greater denominator. Okay, and if the numerators are different, then how we compare? How we compare the unlike fractions if the numerators are different? See, first of all, we'll take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 6 and 15. Okay, we will take the LCM of the denominator. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So LCM will be 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So LCM is 30. Now we will make this the denominators of these two fractions as 30. Okay, we will make the denominator of these two fractions 30. So by which number I should multiply 6 to make it 30? If I multiply 6 by 5, the denominator will be 30. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 5. 5 5s are 25. Now by which number I should multiply this 15 to get 30? If I multiply 15 by 2, the denominator will become 30. Okay, so we will multiply the numerator also by 2. So it will be 13 2s are 26. Now both these fractions are like fractions now. Okay, these fractions are like fractions now because the denominators are same. Now it's very easy to compare. Okay, the fraction with greater numerator is greater and the smaller numerator is smaller, and here we are having 25 upon 30 and 26 upon 30. the numerator of this fraction is greater and this fraction is smaller. So this 26 upon 30 is greater than 25 upon 30, and 26 upon 30 comes from 13 upon 15. So you will write 5 upon 6 is less than 13 upon 15. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to compare 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. See, both these fractions are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Now what we have to do, we will make it like fraction by making the denominators same. And how the denominators will become same, we will take LCM of the denominators, okay? And LCM of 4 and 8 is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to make the denominator of both these fractions 8. Okay. हमें क्या करना है, इन दोनों फ्रैक्शंस का डिनोमिनेटर 8 बनाना है, अपना एलसीएम बनाना है. तो हम इस फ्रैक्शन को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करें कि हमारे पास 8 आ जाए. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 2 टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर 8. सो इट विल बी 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 8 we will multiply by 1. So it will be 7 upon 8. Now it's very easy to compare because both these fractions are like fractions now. 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. Both these fractions are like fractions, and in like fractions, the fraction with greater numerator is greater and smaller numerator is smaller. And here 7 upon 8 is greater than 6 upon 8. So 6 upon 8 came from 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 will be less than 7 upon 8. So this way we compare unlike fractions.